Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this wig from Klaiyi Hair Company. It's so pretty. It's this perfect ginger color, perfect for the cold weather. It's so pretty. It came out so nice. I got so many compliments on this hair, y'all. It looks so good. So I'm going to leave everything about the hair in the description bar below. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask and definitely check them out. I absolutely love this wig. They sent me a few little items over with it. It came with a scarf. It actually came with some lashes, but I don't have the lashes in this video. Wig cap and some hair clips. I really like those clips. I'm gonna just start off with plucking the hairline. I normally would bleach the knots, but I didn't, and I kind of wish that I did because they were visible, although they are light in color, they were still visible. So you can just kind of determine what you want to do at your own discretion. But I did go ahead and pluck. I am using a white towel on my leg. I normally would use a mannequin head, but I was not at my house when I did this. I was at my mom's house. So that was what I had to use. You know, you got to make do with what you have. So if you don't have a mannequin head, feel free to just put a white towel on your knee and use your knee or any other surface that you have. Just make sure it's white so that you can see through the lace really good. But I am going to be talking throughout this video. And I also am going to be doing a few parts voiceover. So let me know what y'all think, if I should do my videos talking in the videos or if I should continue with my voiceovers. Let me know what y'all think.
Okay, y'all, so I got this cap on, but I just had it on so that I could get in the shower. I'm not actually using this one because it's a little zap. I'm gonna use, I just have my hair French braided. As y'all can see, it's the length for me, because y'all remember when I was a bald head skittle diddle? If y'all remember, you ain't no real day one. If y'all remember, you need to go back to my first videos. Y'all, I was so bald head, but not in a bad way. Like, I had cut all my hair off on purpose. It ain't like my mama put a perm in my hair when I was 3 months old and my hair used to be long. It's not that story. Nah, for real. I had cut my hair into a pixie cut. When I had first started YouTube, I had a pixie cut. So, yeah, my hair has come a long way. I just want to show y'all that. I like to update y'all on my length every video. But anyways, we can do two. Try to get your braids as flat as possible. So we're doing 2 braids. We're going to crisscross them in the back, pull them tight, and then bring them forward. You can put bobby pins on or something, but I don't need to. So we gonna pull it down. I did slick my edges back, but I'm just making sure that it's slickety slick. I'm going to be using the 9 Define Goat Glue. And I'm also going to be using a primer protection for my skin. But I'm going to be, you know, getting this together with the with my Got To Be glue spray.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone.
Vintage Pressed Powder Foundation in the color 355 Coconut. And I'm just going to be putting it.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options.
I'm gonna be using some 99% alcohol to clean off my skin. I'm using some cotton round.
It's not my fault.
So I'm going to be cleaning off my comb with my alcohol, and because that's what I'm going to be using to smooth down the glue. This glue is super sticky, but the thing that I do like about it is that you only need 1 or 2 layers.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
So this is how you know that your glue is ready. When you do that and it's like tacky, that's how you know it's time. It's time. It's time to rumble. Okay. So I'm putting it on. And it felt a little loose, so I'm going to tighten it up a bit. I left only the back comb in, just to let y'all know. I took out the top 2 combs because I don't feel like it lays as flat as you want it to. So I'm going to hook the back comb in. Then I'm going to match up my parts.
so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight. about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe, and you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Show ya. Wish me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand how you think it now.
I'm gonna be using this foundation again. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some mascara to darken up the roots.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. I like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby.